Hi there, I'm going to show you how to replace the battery on this mini key fob. Here's what you need. You need your replacement battery. This takes 12032, and you can get these on Amazon. They're very inexpensive. And there's links below in the description that will take you straight to Amazon. You also need a screwdriver. It doesn't need to be this small. Just a normal screwdriver will be sufficient. Okay, so first order of business, you want to take out the actual key. So press down this little button and pull that out. Okay, next, take your screwdriver, stick it under here, and pop it up like so. All right, next, this piece right here comes up. Stick your screwdriver there, pop that up. Okay, and there's the actual battery. So you can stick right there, pull that battery out. Now take your new battery, go in this side first, put that in. This goes in like that first. Put this here, give it a good squeeze, and put that back on. And you're all set. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button.